Hello guys, welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be making a crochet wig, and here is the wig cap I'm going to be using. I got it from my local beauty supply store, and it is hands down the best wig cap I have ever used for my crochet wig. So if you can find this, I advise that you get it. So the hair I'm going to be using, I got it from AliExpress a long time ago. I can't even remember the name, but it was super cheap. I'll try to find it and link it in the description box below. So yeah, the pack of hair comes with like 10 to 12 strands of hair, but I'm going to go ahead and divide those into like 2 or 3 each strands. I'm going to divide, and I'm going to just go ahead and crochet it onto this wig cap. So like I said, this wig cap is the best wig cap I have ever used, I am telling you. So yeah, so I'm just going to go ahead and crochet this hair. I want a kind of a big wig, like something with a lot of volume, which is why I'm separating this hair, and you guys are going to see what that looks like at the end. But yeah, I want to try and stay between 2 packs of hair, because yes, I want it big, but I don't want it to be over big or super big, you know, just something that will be like it's gonna be good enough for my head size, something that will fit me. So yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. So I'm just gonna go ahead and crochet this hair with this wig cap. Like I said, because this one is made to fit your head just like the regular spandex wig caps, you don't have to go through 2 to 3 holes at a time. So I will advise you only go through 1 hole, because if you do that, it's going to make the wig cap too small, and you may not be able to fit it on your head by the time you are done. So just try to make sure you go in like just 1 hole at a time. However, you don't want to go through all the holes. Just make sure you space it out, you know, according to how you want it, you know, the volume you want, however big or small you want your hair. Just, you know, you can just go ahead and do that. So yeah, that is what I'm doing. I'm just going to continue to crochet this hair, and this hair took me less than 40 minutes, 30 something minutes to do this week. It was really fast, really cheap, and it is something for the spring. Summer is coming up, so I just needed to, you know, something to change my looks, because, you know, why not? And besides, I don't really wear colored hair, as most of you may know. I always gravitate towards black color, but I decided to try something new this time. So yeah, I'm done with 1 pack there, and this is the 2nd pack. Like I said, I want to try and stay between just 2 packs. I don't want to go over 2 packs because I don't want it to be too big. So I'm just going to go ahead and crochet this hair, and then when we are done, we're going to see what it looks like. So yeah, I hope you enjoy watching. Okay guys, so here I'm just trying to finish up with the wig. I'm at the very top of the you know, the head now. So I'm just going to try and, you know, close this off without putting too much hair, like I said, so that it's not too big. And when I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and put this wig on my head and try to trim it. So here is my completed, you know, wig. Like I said, it took me less than 40 minutes to make this hair, and this is what the wig cap looks like inside. You guys see that it's really, you know, clean and beautiful. So yeah, I'm just putting this on my head. I'm going to shake it off, you know, try to make everything to separate, and then I'll try to trim this hair. So I want some bangs in front of the hair, so I'm going to try to cut that. You guys, I'm not an expert in trimming hair, but I'm just going to try to, you know, make it, you know, something, just make it to fit my face basically. So I'm going to try to trim these, and, you know, just try to make it look good on me. So yeah, that is what I'm trying to do. If you know how to trim your wigs, then you know what to do. But I can't tell you how to trim or how not to trim because I am not good at it myself. I'm still learning. So yeah, that is what I'm going to do. And when I'm done, I'm going to apply some mousse in it. So what I'm doing there is taking the wig off and just holding it up and make sure I trim everything and try to level everything. So yeah, you guys can see it looks much better now. So I'm going to go ahead and apply that mousse. I think this one I got it from Walmart. I think I'm going to link it in the description box below. I'll try to. So you guys, this is a completed look. You guys, can you see how beautiful this wig is? Like, the color complements my skin. I didn't even think it was going to look good on me like this, but I'm feeling myself, you know, I'm feeling myself. Anyway guys, this is the end of this video. I hope you guys like it because I do love it. I hope you guys try something new in this summer. And yeah, please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think. Love you guys, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.